Ganas is an extensible Web3 wallet and IDE built by volunteers for the Cosmos and EVM multi-chain ecosystem. We are continuing Cosmos Chain support with a dedicated extension for Cosmos governance that you can use to make on-chain proposals. Ganas governance extension is anti-fragile tech. It only depends on the Web 2 parts that the blockchain nodes depend upon. In the event that search engines or any other websites do not function, stakers will still be able to perform their governance duties, propose and vote. We are building Ganas to work from local caches and decentralized storage solutions first. I am now using Ganas on a mobile tablet. To test the current functionality, from the main menu you can go to Demos, Cosmos Chains Governance, and the governance extension for Cosmos Chains will load. We will use the Evmos testnet, and we can set the proposal title and also the proposal description here, and we can create a text proposal or a community pool spend proposal. For this, we will also add a recipient here. And let's put an amount of 100 Evmos units. We click on this button here, so the community pool spend proposal data is filled in this input, and we'll also fill in our address as proposers and put an initial deposit. And now we'll submit the proposal on the Evmos testnet. We need biometric identification, so the transaction is sent and we are waiting for the receipt. And we have the transaction hash here. Now this extension is built with Mark's Factory Tech and Ganas APIs, so you can even see the code of the extension here. And anyone can create an extension like these from Ganas itself. So you have seen an extension for Cosmos governance with support for text proposal and community pool spend. Soon, register coin, parameter change, and client update for IBC will also be supported. As any other Ganas extension, this is not dependent upon search engines, not dependent on websites. The extension lives on IPFS, but the dependency on IPFS is minimized because the IPFS content is cached in the wallet. You are welcome to come join our Discord and test on web, iOS, and Android.